How to fix Venmo transaction field. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to fix a field Venmo transaction. So to fix a field Venmo transaction, you could start by identifying if the issue is within your payment method, the app itself, or Venmo security filter. First thing first, you want to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Open up settings on your device and go ahead and make sure to check or switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Ensure a stable signal as well. After which, what you also want to make sure to do is simply go ahead and update or restart the app. So simply close the background running app, go to the Play Store and App Store, and you want to type in Venmo. And here you could simply go ahead and update the app. That should also be able to help. In some cases, if you have active VPN, you could or that can trigger security flag and block transaction as well. You also want to make sure to log out and log in back. That should definitely help you out. And next, you could confirm your bank or link bank or a card has a sufficient balance for your transaction as well. So this way, you're supposed to fix Venmo transaction field. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.